Many people don't like belly fat. Besides, various studies have shown that those who have excess fat in the belly or have fat are more at risk of developing various diseases, including diabetes. Based on various studies, today we will know how we can reduce belly fat and how we can stop getting belly fat. First, let's see how we can stop belly fat. 1. Trans fat should be stopped. This means avoiding all foods that contain trans fats, like cakes, cookies, dalda food, extra oily food, fried food, etc. A study was done on monkeys for 6 years. Some monkeys were fed a diet rich in trans fats and some monkeys were fed a normal diet. At the end of the study, it was found that all the monkeys fed trans fat had a 33% increase in fat. Trans fats are also linked to several other diseases such as inflammation, heart disease, etc. 2. Reduce stress from life. Stress causes our body to release a hormone called cortisol. This cortisol hormone is sometimes called the stress hormone. This cortisol hormone helps to store fat in the abdomen. Various studies have shown that people with high levels of cortisol are more likely to be hungry, and at the same time, cortisol also promotes the accumulation of abdominal fat. But there are many of us whose professions are stressful and we have to go through various stressors every day. What can be done in that case is to set aside a day or two a week for yourself to do recreational activities that make you happy. On holidays you can do different activities or sports or go out with family without sitting at home. 3. Cut back on sugary foods. Sugary foods help to store fat in the belly, and people who eat a lot of sugar are at risk of various diseases, such as inflammation, heart disease, fatty liver, etc. Research has also shown that fructose found in sugar is linked to many chronic diseases. And for those who consume soft drinks, they are worse than regular sugary foods. Because when you're drinking soft drinks, you don't know how much sugar you're eating because they contain phosphorus or phosphonic acid in different combinations, so your tongue doesn't taste that sweet, so it looks like you're eating a lot of sugar, but you don't know it. Another thing is that when you eat solid food like sweets, you chew it, then it goes to the stomach, then it is digested, then it goes into your body, but when you eat liquid or have it with a drink, it is absorbed directly in the liquid state. This both processes signal the brain differently. If you think about it, you will find that when you drink, you eat more sweets. 4. Get enough sleep regularly. Many of us don't take sleep seriously, but sleep is related to many things in our health, including body weight. In a study, 68,000 women were observed for 12 years. The study looked at how much weight gained in people who slept 7 hours or more per day and how much weight gained in people who slept 5 hours or less per day. The results showed that those who slept less than 5 hours gained significantly more weight than those who slept 7 hours or more. 5. Control white carbohydrates. Studies have shown that obese people who eat less than 50 grams of white carbohydrates per day have less belly fat. Even people with diabetes have seen less belly fat if they eat less than 50 grams of white carbohydrates. Now talking about if you do not eat white rice, white bread, then what to eat. You can eat brown carbs like red rice, red flour bread. Another study found that people who ate whole grain or brown bread, brown rice, had a 17% lower tendency to accumulate belly fat compared to those who ate refined rice and flour. Now let's see how we can reduce our belly fat. 1. Fibrous food. Which fibrous food? Vegetables, fruits, pulses, etc. When they enter the stomach, they absorb water or liquid and form a gel-like substance, resulting in a feeling of fullness. As a result, eating less food than you normally eat will fill you up and you won't take in extra calories. A study of 1,100 people found that every 10 grams increase in fiber intake reduced belly fat by 3.7%. 2. Protein. Protein should be kept in food. Protein will make you feel less hungry. You won't get hungry as fast if you eat the same amount of carbs as you will if you eat protein. Various studies have shown that people who eat more protein in their diet have less belly fat than people who eat less protein. 3. Must run. Although a little tougher, many studies have shown that running is the most effective exercise for losing belly fat. Although some studies have shown that high-intensity exercise is more effective. But which one you do mainly depends on how long and how frequently you do it. It means are you doing it 2 or 3 days a week and how long you do it, 10 minutes or 1 hour. But it is a very effective exercise. Those who really want to lose weight must try it. 4. Weightlifting. Weightlifting may not be for everyone, and there are many people who are a little overweight who will find weightlifting a little more difficult. They can start by running or walking. A study has shown that if the combination of weightlifting is done with running, then it is the most effective for reducing belly fat. 5. Eat fatty fish. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids. It is very good for the brain and plays an important role in many areas of the body. Studies have shown that fatty fish can reduce liver fat and abdominal fat very effectively. All the informations are scientifically proven. If you really want to get rid of belly fat, you must try these. At last, thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, then give a thumbs up and share your relatives who want to get rid of belly fat, and if you want to watch more videos like this, then subscribe the channel.